Have no roses, subconsciously they envy us a lot. They look down their noses and see a couple of dorks with more love than they have got. When they see us holding hands, they wish that they were geeks in love. And when they hear our favorite bands, they wish that they were geeks in love. We rattle off our in-jokes while they wish that they were geeks in love. While we make each other smile, they wish that they were geeks and la 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 ba da 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 love la 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 cover what it won't have they love la 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 shibbity waffles and love la 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 la. As far as I can tell, while other lovers go through hell, we'll know we're too cool for damnation. We may not be cutting edge, but we won't take the mainstream pledge, for we don't need your admiration. They may not show it, it doesn't fit, they're made